Hi students, today our topic for discussion is the first farmers and herders. This is the second video of this chapter. In first video we already discussed who is the first farmer and what is the meaning of herders. Now we discuss more thing related to the Neolithic age or New Stone Age. As you know, about 10,000 years ago, man progressed into the Neolithic age or New Stone Age. This is the beginning of the agriculture, invention of wheel and making of pottery. When excavated our area, some evidence that the Neolithic is related to Indian subcontinent as Burjahom and Gofkard in Jammu and Kashmir, Chirand in Bihar, Mehergarh in present-day Balochistan, and Dozoli Hending in Assam. As you know, the Neolithic age is the beginning of the agriculture, and this is called Neolithic revolution. Before the Neolithic age, man was the food gatherer, but in this age, with the use of Neolithic tools, they become the food producer, and the Neolithic man become the farmers. They also become the known as herders because man is the first village and village life must be developed in Neolithic age. Farmers and herders live in a group that is called tribals. A tribe, this is the definition of tribe. A tribe is a group of families related to each other and living together in a small settlement or village. Usually man is related to cattle and fresh pastures, and the female is related to agriculture work. But they both taking in singing, dance, painting and decorating house. And this Neolithic age is also the first domesticated animal. As you know, the dog is the first domesticated animal. After that, sheep, donkey, horse, they all. Man and woman become the hunter and food gatherer. So this age is development is very slow and gradual because they have no communication, they have no scientific ideas. So in the Neolithic age the development is less and very slow. This insight show that in cave of the Ratnagiri in the coast of Maharashtra and a stone age and around 90,000 year old, and this is the evidence, first evidence of the cave shelter. Community life, as you know, community means organized and settled community. Organized and settled community. In this time, private ownership of land is not really accepted. No acceptance of private ownership of land. They become lived in harmony and practice social equality. But the eldest and strongest member of this group is become the leader and the coordinate to the group. Burjahom in Kashmir is also the trace have the pit house. What is the meaning of pit house? Pit house is a special type of house that you saw in also the diagram. Some part of their houses is present in underground the water, underground the soil, land and various part on the above of the land. After that they become the also invention of the wheel. When we say the timbers cut down and fall on roof of the mountain, they so that they become the rolling on, and then the idea of the invention of the wheel. उन्होंने देखा कि जो टिम्बर है वो लुढ़क करके जाता है, न घसीट करके, घसीटने में ज्यादा बल लगता है लेकिन रोल करके जाने में उनको क्या लगता है, कम। इससे क्या हुआ, उन्होंने पहिए का आविष्कार किया और पहिए के आविष्कार के बाद वो ट्रैवलिंग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम करने लगे, वो भी आसानी से। और ये आइडिया जो है उनके जीवन में बदलाव लाया। पॉटरी इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड क्राफ्टमैन। दे बिकम hunter, but after the invention of the pottery they become the craftsman and insight into religious belief. They have no idea about the natural phenomena like lightning, thunder, earthquake and seasonal changes. They are the beyond his understanding, but ignoring the cause they worship them. वो उसके कारण को न जान करके उनका पूजा करने लगे। As he was dependent on nature, he worshipped sun, moon, rain, thunder, lightning, etc. And death is also a mystery that have no deep idea in Neolithic age. To understand the mystery, he developed a belief in life after death. Neolithic men started worrying the dead along and daily necessities of the life such as pottery, weapons, food, item. This Neolithic man was taking the first step towards spiritual life. Okay? And the Neolithic West, also the Mehrgarh near the come in Balochistan, and northeast that belongs to Assam, Siliguri, Meghalaya. These are also the symbolic representation, that are the various incidents, various traces for the pit home and the Neolithic age. Okay, in next video we solve their question answer. Okay, thank you.